everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to go through the differences between oil and acrylic. So if there's some of you out there that you're not sure which one it is that you want to try, then hopefully this video will help. The number one difference between acrylic and oil, in my opinion, is the fact that acrylic dries super fast compared to oil paint. The benefits of this is that you can work on a painting very quickly in a short amount of time. Say if you have a week's holiday, then you can get some serious painting done in that time because you don't have to keep waiting like a few days for a layer to dry, for example. I personally feel like this can make it harder to actually mix colours, because if you want to take your time with mixing colours, then actually it can dry on the palette even as you're actually mixing the colours. Especially if you live in quite a hot country, there are ways to work around this. Things like stay wet palettes and all sorts of stuff like that. Personally, I think acrylic paint is cheaper because you only have to add water. So that can also help keep costs down if you've only got a little bit of money to spend on getting some supplies. Acrylic paint can also have harmful chemicals in, so if you're super sensitive, maybe wear a pair of gloves or check out the website on that specific paint brand to see how harmful the ingredients are. Usually, if you try not to get it on your skin, then you should be absolutely fine. One of the negatives I've found with acrylic paint is that it can dry a little bit flat sometimes. What I mean by that is that it's almost as when it dries, the colours kind of sink back instead of like going pow in your face. But you can also alleviate that problem by giving it a gloss varnish when it's completely dry, and this can bring the colours back out again and make it a bit more vivid. Acrylic paint is definitely less messy because it dries, it doesn't get everywhere as much as oil does, and this can be really beneficial if you're wanting to paint in your home or like an apartment or your bedroom or somewhere that is sort of a communal area and you really don't want it to get too messy and get paint on the carpet, etc. Then acrylic is definitely going to be easier than oil paint. Okay, so moving on to oil. So oil paint dries much slower than acrylic paint does. That can be 2 days, go into a week. It can even go into months, depending on how thick the layers are and what colours it is that you've used. This can make it so much easier to mix colours. You can also manipulate the layers a little bit easier, because instead of then having to create a whole new layer on top of a dry layer, you can sort of work into it a lot easier. So that way again, you can take your time a little bit more and not have to feel like you have to rush. The fact it dries slow can also be a negative for some people if you have to work in a certain time frame, or maybe you don't have time to wait a week and then work on the painting and wait another week and work on it again. Of course, people that work in plein air don't wait for each layer to dry, they sort of do it a lot more impasto effect. It really depends on the kind of art that it is you want to make. Personally, I feel like oil paint is a little bit more expensive to pursue because you need the sort of spirits like your turpentine or your solvents, and then also there's added things like liquid, which of course you don't have to use, but it really does help the painting practice. Oil paint is absolutely fabulous if you've got a studio or a set place where you can work, when you can open the windows and then shut the door at the end of the day. But if you're working in your home, the fumes can really make it quite uncomfortable to also be a living area as well. I find sometimes when I paint with oil paints, because of the solvents and the thinners, it can really get to my throat and give me quite a bad sore throat if I don't have like the window open or a good ventilation system. So I feel like that's a really important point to think about before you go down the oil paint route. One of the best things about oil paint, and the thing that it keeps bringing me back for, is the vivid colours. They're just so bright and beautiful and vibrant, and they're just gorgeous, and it makes it such a delight to paint with because it really feels creamy and buttery in texture. There's just something there that you just don't get with acrylic paint. It's probably why it will always be my absolute favourite medium to work with. So I feel like these are the main basic differences between oil and acrylic, and really the ones that can clinch the deal. Clinch. And these are the ones that will clinch the deal either way, which one you'll prefer and which one that you will actually invest in. So to put it down in a nutshell, if you're still not sure, so if you want to learn traditional painting techniques, you're not in a strict time limit, you've got a designated area to get messy and it's well ventilated, and you really care about vivid, luxury, beautiful, buttery consistency and colours, then oil paint is definitely for you. If you've never painted before and you want to experiment a little bit, you're not interested in becoming a master painter, but you just want to have a little bit of fun and to enjoy the practice of painting, and you'll be painting in a living area where there'll be family and possibly even kids around, then I would definitely suggest acrylic paint. Obviously there are completely exceptions to all these rules, but that's just like a little guide that I think may help you to decide which one it is if you're still not sure. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I would love to hear your experiences with either oil and acrylic and the benefits that you found, and I hope you have a super day. Bye!